Well, good morning and welcome to the planning briefing for Sunday, April 28th. Getting into our key points, not listed here, but a couple of isolated showers today, mainly north and west of Missoula. Nothing really to write home about. By Monday morning, there'll be an area of snow from north central Idaho through the southern Bitterroot into maybe as far east as the Georgetown Lake area. It'll be breezy everywhere. We'll have some jet energy above us, and a cold front will be pushing through. And then a breezy Tuesday as the remnants of that jet is still over us. And then we're looking at a system that may come down the Continental Divide and bring a little bit of winter weather for Glacier National Park on Wednesday, and continued unsettled and cool through the first week of May. How does that play out in the weather threat matrix? Well, snow at pass level and wind on Monday, snow at pass level and wind on Tuesday, except in southwest Montana. I think you'll see a little bit of snow down into those higher valleys. And then snow at pass level on Wednesday, it's like a broken record. Snow at pass level on Thursday. And then, even though I think there'll be snow in the mountains everywhere, it's really only going to stand out in northwest and southwest Montana by Friday. All right, so looking at those max wind gusts, you're looking at 25 to 35 miles per hour across our valleys. I did point to Spokane, which isn't in our valley, but just to give you an idea of what this color could be conceivably putting out. So yeah, we're looking at 25 to 35, and then along those ridges, it's a little bit stronger. The jet will nose into this area right here, just south of Hamilton. So you can see how the winds are a little bit stronger. Could be up to 50, 60 in the highest terrain of southwest Montana. Looking at what that snowfall could produce, in general, what's going to end up happening is as the jet noses in, when you get into this, we call it the left exit region. That creates lift. And that's why we're seeing the best chance for snow across north central Idaho, the southern Bitterroot, the Sapphires, and as far east as Georgetown Lake. And that's all going to be the dynamics of the jet coming in. And this is a probability of 2 inches. You're looking at a pretty darn good probability of 2 inches above 5,000 feet in north central Idaho, along the Bitterroot Crest, across Lost Trail, and into the Georgetown area. And then once we get up to 4 inches, now those probabilities really condense down, and it's really the highest terrain of north central Idaho and the Bitterroot Crest for the 4 inches. As we said, breezy on Tuesday again, but as you can see, whereas the strongest winds are no longer over southwest Montana, the jet has lifted north on the day Tuesday, but still 25 to 35 in the valleys, and then along the ridges, especially Glacier, you could be looking at 50 or 60 miles per hour. So this Wednesday system, there's still some question marks. This is not the forecast that we actually have in the grids currently. We're thinking about editing down that, but there's some questions on whether it be a moist westerly flow, and then these probabilities or the amounts will get higher. But currently what we have is we have a low spinning up east of the divide. And what this will cause is upslope flow. So east Glacier will do quite well, and will be downsloped west of that area. So keep an eye on this forecast. I know there's some people out recreating, taking their bikes up and whatnot. Just keep in mind there could be snow down to West Glacier. It's just a matter of which direction the winds wind out. If they're coming from the east, downsloping on our side. If they're coming from the west, there could be moist westerly upslope flow, and then we might be looking at higher amounts in Glacier. All right, so as I said, it's going to finish unsettled throughout the first week of May, and this is actually pushing out to the 11th, so we're almost halfway into the second week. So just slightly above normal temperatures, near normal for most of the region, but it's this part here, the above normal precipitation. No one's going to complain about that in the spring since we've been quite dry. But this unsettled and cool pattern continues. All right. Thank you for attending the briefing, and the next briefing will be Thursday, May 2nd. I hope everyone has a great day.